So let's talk laundry and clothing for a multi-day trip. And I'm talking about a multi-day trip where you're gone for maybe a week or more, where space might be limited. Maybe you can't carry all your clothes. So here's my question. I'm in the middle of a multi-day trip, and I couldn't really find anywhere online, any videos or anything, kind of explaining what a good thing to do, how to pack regarding clothing. I've seen lots of videos regarding gear, and I've also done videos regarding gear as well, and I'll put a link to those below if you're interested. But that's not clothing, that's just kind of like gear to have, tools, things like that. But what I wanted to know was what to bring for clothing, and I talked to friends who ride motorcycles, and everybody seemed to have different ideas what to do. And I've got a couple things here that I'd like to tell you what I do. And so one of them, it might surprise you. I don't know, it might kind of give you the irks. I know a buddy of mine, he kind of shook his head when I told him I did this. I'll tell you about that in a minute. And another thing that's kind of a traveling thing I've done before. Not the kind of thing I would do all for my trips, but for trips where space is limited. So my time is limited here. I'm out for 9 or 10 days. I don't want to spend any time having to do laundry. And why not? Why shouldn't I do laundry? Well, to do laundry is going to be kind of a pain in the ass for me because that's going to take away from my riding. I only have 9 or 10 days. This is not an open-ended trip where, it is open-ended to the point where I've scheduled 9 days with a 10th day just in case I need an extra day. But if this was just a week, but I could go 2 weeks if I wanted, that might be a different story. I could probably do a laundry day. So I'll tell you what I've packed. So what I've done is I've packed 9 pairs of underwear, 9 t-shirts, 9 pairs of socks. And then I've got my riding jackets and riding pants. The one thing that might surprise you, so for the first 2 days, so I wore my worst t-shirts for the first 2 days and my worst underwear, kind of the rattiest pair of clothing that was ready to get rid of, with the idea that I threw my underwear and my t-shirts out after using them for the day. And that's my thing. It's just 2 t-shirts, 2 pairs of underwear, less to carry and less dirty clothing to carry. And that might seem funny, but again, I was going to be throwing these things out anyway, so I decided to wear them on my first couple days of the trip. So the rest of my trip, I'm pretty sure my clothing is fine. I don't have anything that I can toss. I have a friend of mine that suggested instead of doing laundry to actually shower with the clothes you wore that day, wash them with shampoo, hang them to dry, and then you have a clean pair of clothes to wear for another day to kind of extend it. Now normally people might think that's kind of gross, but this is my motorcycle touring, and I think that's actually not a bad idea because for the most part we're just wearing that clothing at some point riding the motorcycle during the day. Another friend of mine puts stuff into Ziploc bags, so he separates his clothing from dirty, clean in Ziploc bags, and that's a good way to do it. Now, what about riding pants, riding jacket? What do you do with those? Now, the jacket, I suppose you could just sweat in, no problem. But the pants, maybe they get a bit gross. You might want to wash those. Riding pants are a bit harder to clean. So I'm just wondering, what are some ideas that you would be doing to clean your riding clothing during a multi-day trip, if you clean them at all? Or do you just kind of keep the clean clothes underneath and wear the dirty pants for the entire time? And again, I guess that'll depend on how long the multi-day trip is, whether it's weeks or months. But let's just say we're talking 7 days to 2 weeks multi-day trip. Actually, let's make it 7 days, because 2 weeks seems like you could have a laundry day in there somewhere. But I would like to hear, because there's a lot of people with a lot of experience out there, and I'd like to hear from you guys about what you do when you go on a multi-day trip. Or if you haven't been on a multi-day trip, what do you think of these ideas that I mentioned to you? Is showering with your clothes on gross or a good idea? Is throwing away clothes a good idea, or is that a waste? Well, it's not a waste because his clothing is going in the garbage anyway. Thanks for watching. Take care and ride safe.